Hello, in this tutorial we're going to answer a simple question, which is what does the gray dot mean on the Flo app? So we're going to get right into it. I'm going to explain in details, but first off, you're going to have to launch your Flo application, which of course I've done right here. Now, where can you find Flo app? You can get Flo app on Apple Store or Google Play Store depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Flo app. And once you do that, you just follow through with the on-screen instructions to download the app. Now, after downloading the application successfully, it's going to take you right into the sign-in window where you're going to be asked to either create a new account or to log in using an existing account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in the Flo app. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is, what does the gray dots mean on Flo app? So for us to do that, we're going to have to click the calendar icon at the top right corner of this home screen. So click on the calendar icon and it takes you right into the calendar. Now, you have a couple of icons or a couple of colors in the gray app, and they include pink, that's pink, and then you have gray, and you have teal. So if you see pink, all right, that's the pink color on any of the dates. It means that you are on, that it signifies active period. So pink is used for periods, that's active period dates. So like this is it. So like my active period dates. Okay, I need to click on edit period dates, and I'm editing that there. I'm going to click on OK. All right, so if I see the pink signifies active period. Then teal, the teal color that you find, it signifies ovulation. All right, that's the teal color. If you see the teal color on your date, it signifies ovulation, and this is like the teal color in here. So this is pink, right, from 1 to 5, and 9 to 18 signifies ovulation. All right, and then if you see the gray color, appear on any of the dates, it signifies, or it indicates, period delay. So once you see the gray icon, it means, or the gray color rather, it signifies period delay. It's just Flo indicating or predicting that there might be a delay in your period that particular cycle. That's it. It just signifies period delay. So do not be het up about once you see the gray icon on the date, because it just signifies period delay. All right, so you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.